Hey designers, welcome back. What if Nike had a modern shoe design like this? Today, I'm designing a bold Nike inspired UI concept. Starting with the design, I'm using a MacBook 16 Pro frame. We'll round its radius and use a dark purple background to give it a bold and a premium feel. Next, I'll place an ellipse at the center, apply a purple color, and add a layer blur to create a soft, modern background effect. Now, I'll place the Nike logo and then move on to designing the navigation bar to set up a clean and structured layout. I'll also include a CTA button for the AI powered fit sync features. Now the navigation is set. I'll add a Nike logo in the center and use a purple tone to keep it consistent with the design. Next, I'll add the shoe image, position it properly. Now we'll add a text to bring the design together. To enhance the visual depth, I'll add two purple ellipses with 10% opacity and place them behind the shoe. Next, I'll design the Shop Now CTA button, applying a purple gradient with a subtle touch of blue to give it a modern look. Next, I'll add three indicator dots with varying sizes to represent the current page. Next, I'll add two arrow buttons up and down to let users easily switch between different shoe designs. Next, I'll create a soft shadow under the shoe using a black ellipse with layer blur to add depth. Next, I'll add a subtle noise to the background. using a noise and texture plugin, keeping the opacity low for a more realistic feel. So now the first design is completed. I'll duplicate the layout, switch the color theme to green and update the shoe image. The overall layout remains the same. I'm only changing the color theme to create a different variation. For this version, I'll fine tune the noise opacity to better match the updated color theme. I'll follow the same process for the third design, adjusting the colors and visuals to create another variation. Next, I'll create a hover animation for the up and down button by converting them into components, adding a variants with different field colors and linking them in prototype using the while hover interaction. I'll repeat the same interaction for both design buttons to keep the experience consistent. Next, I'll add animation to the shoes by duplicating them, placing them inside a frame and enabling the clip content option. Starting with the first design, I'll select the shoe frame and then we'll select the green shoe and rotate it to minus 21 degrees. Next, I'll duplicate the shoe frame for the green version. Adjust the angle of green shoe to 0 and rotate the purple shoe to 150 degrees. After that, I'll select the both green and purple shoes, hold shift, drag them upwards to set the transition, and then rotate the yellow shoe to 144 degrees. I'll follow the same process for the third design, adjusting the angles by rotating the purple shoe to 144 degrees, the green shoe to minus 48 degrees, and the yellow shoe to 180 degrees. Next, I'll select both the yellow and green shoes. Hold shift and drag them upwards and then rotate the yellow shoe to 157 degrees to complete the transition. Next, we'll animate the text by duplicating it. Placing it inside a frame and moving the frame upwards and enabling the clip content for smooth transition. Select the design and place it on the old text and remove the old text. Next, I'll duplicate the frame for the second design. Remove the existing text then select the text from both the first and second design. Hold shift and move them upwards to create the transition. And we'll do the same thing with the third frame. Next, I'll move to prototyping, link the frames together, set the trigger to on click, apply Smart Animate with a custom Bezier curve, copy this code, and set the duration to 1200 milliseconds for a smooth transition. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.